Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A91 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app. From here scroll all the way down to additional settings right here, and then we should find somewhere here reset or backup and reset right here, and at the bottom you'll have reset to factory settings. Tap on it and choose this, the third option, erase all data. Now I have a pattern, or not a pattern but a pin here, so I need to confirm it, and once I do, then we can tap on erase data once more, and the process should now begin. So this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.